Welcome to our channel. If you want to delete your YouTube account permanently to remove your channel and all associated content, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to youtube.com, then log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. In the left sidebar, click on Advanced Settings to access additional account options. Step 4. Click on Delete Channel under the Channel section to begin the deletion process. Step 5. Sign in again with your Google account credentials to verify your identity. Step 6. Review the information about what will be deleted, including all videos, comments, playlists, and subscriptions. Step 7. Check the boxes to confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting your YouTube channel. Step 8. Click Delete My Content to permanently remove your YouTube account and all associated data. Step 9. Note that deleting your YouTube channel does not delete your entire Google account. Only your YouTube presence will be removed. Step 10. If you want to delete your entire Google account, visit myaccount.google.com and follow the account deletion process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.